12th village this month, huh?
Tedious. Is that it? Why would they leave them like this?
You okay?
Yeah. Thought I saw something.
You want to swap? You can do the shoes, I'll do the corridor.
Cole?
That was DROUGHT, made inside Invideo's Agent 2. Agent 2 finished its 12-day rollout today, including context and briefs, expert agents, playbooks, notebooks, an editor called Slate, stock, shared folders, enterprise, and guided workflows. 12 capabilities in 12 days, and it is 4 times faster at half the price of Agent 1. We built a crew of 4, a director of photography, a storyboard artist, and a prompter. We only ever spoke to 2 of them. The rest talked to each other. You give an agent a role so that it has a standard to check the work against. The director of photography owns the visual grammar, and the prompter does not, so it caught the shots the prompter had missed. Every real fault in this film was found by an agent that had not written the thing it was checking. Before any of that, we gave it the film on paper. 1 PDF with the shot script and the visual grammar, and 3 reference stills annotated with the rule rather than the picture. Write the grammar as rules and an agent can enforce it. Then the locks: style, characters, locations, boards, prompts. Each lock inherits the one before it, and anything you don't lock will change from shot to shot. Agent 2 can watch its own work. We gave it the assembled cut, and it came back with this. Door movement begins at 42 milliseconds, full closure to black at 375, silence held through 4 seconds. Slate cuts inside the agent with Premiere and DaVinci shortcuts, so approved shots go straight into a timeline without exporting anything first, and you edit it by talking to it. Ask for a trim, a replacement, a reorder, and it makes the change on the timeline in front of you. It finishes the job too. Everything here was generated at 720 and upscaled to full HD without ever leaving the tool. The features we liked most were infinite memory, so a project survives between sessions instead of resetting. Slate, the inbuilt video editor, is incredibly helpful, and being able to run a whole crew of agents with specific tasks is very useful. In addition, playbooks and 3 intelligence tiers, notebooks for taking a single generation by hand, stock, shared folders, and 9 guided workflows. Agent 2 is a huge step up from Agent 1.